Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the next video in our STL course on C++. So this video is with the Algorithm Library of C++ STL. So this library is a very powerful library. It has all the algorithms you need, be it manipulating algorithms or non-manipulating algorithms. So I will one by one list all the algorithms and how to use them. As there are very high number of algorithms in this, you will have to look at them yourselves. I will just give you a gist of the major algorithms that are useful. So now let us begin. The first algorithm that I will be talking about is the sort function. Okay, so the std sort, I will show it to you. Okay, this is the code chef, code compile and run. Here you can run your programs in any language you want. So first hash include bit slash std c++.h. Okay, find bits slash std c++.h. Why do we do this? This is due to the fact that we could have also done hash include algorithm, but hash include bit slash std c++.h automatically imports everything that is required for STL, be it vectors, be it sets, maps, be it algorithms. So you can just do that in this one include. So now I will declare a vector of int and I will write v1 or v, let us say, and I will v dot push back 5. Okay, I could have done that there itself by putting the angular brackets or curly brackets, but I'm just showing you the pushback function so that if you are new to this, you can learn it. V dot pushback 1, V dot pushback, whatever you say, 100, V dot pushback 17. I'm just putting them in random order. There is no order as such. Okay. So what do we do now? So let's auto IT. Sorry, I will show you another way to print the numbers. For x in v cout x. Yeah. So just put here auto. Now let's just try running it. See, so this is a vector. So now I wanted to sort. So what can I do? I can use either a merge sort, or I could have used what do you say, instead of merge sort I could have used bubble sort, I could have used insertion sort, but I would have to write the code for them manually, right? So there is a std sort function. Let's print out cout ending here so that anything we do goes to a new line. So std sort, the first argument is the beginning of a vector or the beginning of any array. The other parameter is the end of the array, and there is a third parameter that you can pass. I will show it to you in just a minute. So let's just copy this, Control C, and just paste it. And now let's run the code. Okay. It's running. Yeah. So see, the vector got sorted and the time complexity was n log n. This sort function strictly assumes that the time complexity will be n log n. It's average case, worst case, and the best case. Like, not the best case of course, but the average and the worst are n log n. So this is a very powerful function that is widely used in competitive programming. Next, I can also put a function here. Suppose let us push greater this. Okay, let's run this. Oh, fine, sorry. Sorry, I forgot this. This is rarely used by me, so I forget this. Okay, so this argument here you can pass any function, be it a lambda function, or it can be a function which is declared above, or it can be an inbuilt function. Greater is an inbuilt function. So you can sort structures with this, you can sort vector of structures with this based on custom sorting. Like you can pass here whichever function you need and it will sort the vector according to that. So this was one thing I needed to tell you. So the other thing, like you can declare a comparator function above with the options and A and B, and then return A if A is less than B and return B if A is greater than B. That you can do. So next what to do is basically I will show you a find function. Okay, so next is find function. It has basically a log n time complexity. So what I will do is, if v dot find v dot begin, sorry, v dot find 10. Basically you can write v dot find 10 is not equal to v dot end cout v. So that's very easy, I guess, so I won't show it to you. It's the same thing. I will show you instead. Lower bound, upper bound I've already taught you, right, in my previous lectures. You can visit them. I will leave a description in my video. Next, upper bound also I have shown you. Next, there is a binary search function. So your binary search is like pretty easy function, right? You write it yourself, but you can also write binary search. And again, the same parameters, v dot begin. Like where should the iterator pointing to the beginning position? It need not be v dot begin. It can be v dot begin plus 1. It can be some intermediate position of vector from where you want to binary search. So it's simple, right? V dot begin, v dot end, and the quantity you want to do that. So suppose I want to binary search 5, or I want to binary search 100. So this is the command, and it will return an iterator pointing to it. So auto it1 equals this. So this is the binary search. Next, what we have a count function. This function will basically count the number of occurrences of x. Again, the same v dot count x. So these are like the same functions which are very widely, the starting functions are very widely used. The other functions are used but not as widely as the others. So this was like some basic functions. Now what else we can do is, there are erase functions to erase an iterator. Then what else are there? There are many other functions relating to count by which you can manipulate the countings, like different way of counting things. The sort function is the only function that is widely used. This lower bound, upper bound, and this find function. These four are the main functions which are widely used. The others are okay, like they are used but not there. Then in the numeric library and in the CMath library, which can be considered like I am talking about them in this video, there is this std or underscore underscore LCM function and underscore underscore GCD function. So these functions just take int a comma int b and they output the GCD in log n time, I guess. Yeah, log n time, and LCM also in log n time. So these both are also functions that are used. Then the other functions are basically the normal C++ functions, the boolean and boolean or and the boolean XOR functions. So then there is this not function. These are the common functions. Algorithm library, I don't think there is much to explain or anything left that is to explain now. So hope you like this video and hope you understood everything. If you want me to explain anything or you have any doubts, you can leave it in the comment section. I will leave some resources so that of Geek for Geeks and other blogs, so that you can look at them and how to use these functions. So thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe.